Welcome to Hair Love Live. This video is going to show you everything you need to know about the app. The most important thing to know is that during our 3-day event, everything will be communicated through the app. So you need to make sure it is downloaded to your phone. Go to the App Store and click on the Hair Love app. Once you are taken to the login screen, you can enter your email address or you can use other logins such as Facebook, LinkedIn, or Google. You will need to set up a profile with a password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the community's home screen. Click on the very first community, Hair Love Live. If prompted, enter in the passcode PIVOT in all capital letters. You will then be taken to the Hair Love Live community dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll see several different icons that you'll be using during the event. If you are watching from your phone, you'll want to click on the mobile stream button and you'll be able to watch the event from there. If you are watching from your desktop, you'll want to click on the desktop stream button. Next is the agenda. You'll see that as you click on the agenda, you can see for all 3 days what is going to be going on. The cool thing about this is you're able to subscribe to certain events, and then you can even set a reminder for your phone to notify you when that event is about to start. Next is the Post Me section. We would love to have you share on social media that you'll be hanging out with us all weekend. Feel free to go to this icon, click on any of the in-feed posts, screenshot them, and share with your audience. If you want to learn more about Hair Love University, click on the icon and you'll see the funnest video we created to share what we're all about. Next is the Announcements tab. We'll be sending announcements periodically through the event. If you miss any, you can click on this tab and see what was sent. If you want to see who's educating at this event, click on the Meet the Coaches icon. You'll be able to see all the educators that will be featured during this event, and you can even rate them and write a review. Thank you to our amazing sponsors because they are giving you guys digital swag. For example, if you click on the Schedulicity link, you'll be able to get 3 months free of Schedulicity. As you slide over to the next page, you'll see games. This is one of our favorite parts of the events. We'll be playing games throughout the event, and you'll be able to receive points that go towards those games. When we do our giveaways, we always have a leaderboard giveaway, which means those at the very top of the giveaway are more likely to win one of the amazing products from our sponsors. You want to make sure you're tuning in live because many of our games are based off of what people are saying during their presentations. If you want to see what we're listening to, click on the Hair Love playlist icon and you'll be taken to our playlist. The wall is also a really fun part of the event. You're able to click on this icon and chat. Think of it as like a Facebook wall. So you can talk with other people, talk about your experience, and get to know others. If you want to sign up for Hair Love Retreat, click on the Hair Love Retreat icon. If you want to check out who all of our sponsors are, click on the sponsors icon. One important thing to remember about our app is we're constantly updating it. So make it a habit that every time you log in, you click the refresh button in the top right-hand corner. Then you'll know that you'll have the most updated version of the app. You can also click on the Me icon in the bottom right-hand corner to check out your own profile and make any adjustments that you want. We cannot wait to hang out with you, and if you have any questions, feel free to email our team, support@theworkshopinabox.com. See you there.